So, South Goa Part 2. Welcome everyone. Let's see which places we are going to tell you in this vlog. So, as I promised, this is a new beach called as Cabo de Rama Beach. Isn't it amazing? Part 1 में आपने देखा था कोलवा, बेनोलिम and Varka beaches and my stay in Club Mahindra, Leela Goa and Acacia Palm. And here I am at Cape Goa. It is on a hilltop and this beautiful view cannot be compared to anything. But soon I was on the road again because I wanted to visit more beautiful beaches of South Goa. I am sure बहुत कुछ और है देखने के लिए. सबसे पहले we reached the Palolem beach. It is very famous. It was a little touristy, लेकिन if you see the map, ये गोवा के southernmost tip पर है. It was beautiful. But soon we were off to the next beach, for which I have heard so much. Yes, you guessed it right. We were on our way to Agonda Beach. Agonda Beach पे एक अजीब सी peace थी. This was so serene. I just felt like I have arrived my home. I didn't want to go anywhere else. मैंने रोहित को बोला let's stay here for more time. Maybe the beach hopping can wait. I want to enjoy this view. अगोंडा बीच पे कुछ खास करने को नहीं था, but still there was so much to experience. Palm trees and beach shacks, they made it a perfect stay option. We decided to leave our resort and plan to book our stay at this place. तो रात को हम लोग ऑडियो अगोंडा पे रहे and got great dinner cooked by the owner. The morning at Agonda are also my very special memories. Can you see this beauty of nature here? Everyone was walking in peace and love. I saw this boat coming and look how nicely everyone helped the fishermen here take their boat out of water. कितना amazing था ये experience. So my stay at Agonda was like a very different Goa experience. By now, I have declared this beach as my favorite. ये एक रिमाइंडर भी था कि जरूरी नहीं है एक्सपेंसिव रिजॉर्ट ही हम लोग बुक करें. The beach shacks on a non-touristy beaches are totally worth it. But something special was waiting. We booked our stay at Zuri White Sand Beach Resort in South Goa. ये तो पता लग गया था कि हर रिजॉर्ट के पीछे एक ब्यूटीफुल प्राइवेट बीच है. I was excited to see the beach in this place also, and this path was extremely beautiful. Since we were staying at Zuri White Sand Resort, I knew I will see beautiful white sandy shores. This place was very different from my previous experience at Agonda. Sunset के बाद we entered the resort party area and it was a beautiful day end. finally this is checkout time. I know this had to happen. I hope you enjoyed my various recommendations on South Goa, from resort to shacks. The peace here and the beauty is just amazing. In the end, we went back to Varka beach. We spent couple of hours there before my flight back to Delhi. Thank you for watching this vlog and do subscribe to my channel. I will soon be back with some another amazing destination.